This is the emergency alert system. A biological crisis is unfolding nationwide. Individuals are undergoing physical transformation due to exposure to contaminated water sources, airborne toxins, or direct contact with infected persons. These transformations result in aggressive, dangerous behavior patterns. All citizens must shelter indoors immediately. Lock all doors and windows securely. Do not venture outside except for critical supply runs. When obtaining essentials, purchase only factory-sealed bottled water and canned goods. Tap water, rainwater, and any unbottled liquid are confirmed transmission vectors. If you observe grayish skin discoloration, muscle rigidity, or unexplained aggression in yourself or others, this indicates stage 1 infection. Isolate the affected individual immediately. Use physical restraints if necessary. Do not attempt close medical assistance. Contamination occurs through saliva and skin contact. Schools in unaffected zones, checkpoints Delta, Echo, and Foxtrot, remain operational under military guard. All other educational institutions are closed until further notice. Water is your lifeline. Ration existing bottled water strictly. 1 gallon per person per day maximum. Use non-essential liquids, soda, alcohol, for sanitation only. Toilet systems may spread contamination. Line bowls with plastic and dispose of waste in sealed containers. Power and communications may fail. Stay tuned to this frequency. Battery-operated radios are essential. If you hear 3 consecutive siren blasts, this signals temporary containment breach in your sector.
A dog that loves the snow, a horse that adores looking at itself in the mirror, and an adorable pair of birds. No doubt about it, friends, it's time for your segment dedicated to our pals, the animals.